Hi guys, and welcome to the next part of our look at the AvP miniatures game. We're going to be looking at the models today now we've put them together. And first up we have the Predators. These are absolutely gorgeous models. Let's bring that into focus there. You have to clean them up a bit, but they fit together fairly well. And they come in a variety of poses. Even with the alien ones, where you've got a large number of them, there's still a good number of poses. And they're going to be immensely fun to paint, I imagine. Alright, now have a look at the Marines. Flamethrower there. And smart gun. Got one here with a pulse rifle and a motion tracker. And of course we have the pulse rifles as well. Two of those. And now on to the aliens. Two types you get: the stalkers, which are the ones bred from quadruped animals. What happens when a facehugger goes on something like a dog or a cow, or something with 4 legs? You get a quadruped alien. And then you get the alien infant warriors that you get from humans who have been chest burst. These are amazingly detailed. It's not quite picking up there. And they come in a number of different poses. The tails are nearly all different. You get 3 different options. And as I say, we're going to be painting these up, and we'll have a look at them again then, and trying just to get some games in that we can film as well. I'll see you next time, guys. Please remember to like and subscribe.